आला रे आला, देवा आला. And क्या क्या एनर्जी लेके आया है. शायद it's a full house. It's like already सब कुछ हाउसफुल हो चुका है. And they all are here to meet you and of course the entire team. क्या बोलेंगे अब after we've seen the trailer?
Well, this is 3 years, 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because it will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I am capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया.
बहुत टूटने और बनने वाले हैं. What do you have to say on this journey, sir?
We've got brilliant makers here with us. We've got the star power. Our job is limited to taking this to the screens and ensuring that audiences have the access to it. So what we are working on is getting more footfalls, and this is the high point for our lineup in this year. The biggest one for us, and I hope everyone enjoys. We are looking forward to all your love, all your support. I'm very sure you'll enjoy because we've enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you.
Under your leadership, I'm sure, sir, Z Studio is going to rock. जैसा पिछले साल था, ये उससे भी ज्यादा बेहतर होने वाला है. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being here. Now it's time to invite this brilliant actor, ladies and gentlemen. Digital या फिर films. जब भी इनको देखते हैं, हमें पता है यार, content दमदार होगा. Give it up for Pavel Gulati, ladies and gentlemen. There he comes. Welcome. Handsome ने देख के मैं कह रहा हूँ, गुलाटी साहब कैसे हैं आप? है ना, मुझे पूरी सबसे बनानी पड़ेगी यहाँ पे. Talk to us about that particular scene, and in fact the entire thing that we saw on that big screen. As I said, each and every scene is a master class in filmmaking.
It's all because of him, by the way. The school teacher, our class because of him. And honestly, this is मेरी अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी picture है. And it's because of Siddharth sir, Roshan sir, Shahid and Pooja. And I'm really, really excited. I was damn excited to be part of this film. And thank you for having me in this film. And the intensity in not just in this scene, it's in every scene in the film. And it's Shahid and Roshan sir's vision, which is fantastic, by the way.
Talking about intensity, dance में इतनी intensity और ऐसी खतरनाक वाली कौन डाल सकता है यार?
Only Shahid, and we've been talking about it for the longest time. Ki Shahid, when you're dancing, I think we were talking about it in the vanity ki when you're gonna dance, and I think you've seen it in Bhasad Machai. It's fantastic.
क्या भसड़ मचाई है, क्या भसड़ मचाई है पूरी टीम ने. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, one more time, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time to invite on stage someone who's a true queen of crossover. South India, North India, West, East, किधर भी चले जाओ, हर एक लैंग्वेज में इन्होंने कमाल किया है. She is supremely talented and the most gorgeous. Pooja Hegde. Welcome, Pooja. Thank you so much for being here. All right. तुमने बाकियों को माइक दिया था क्या आके? Chance पे डाल. Anyway, Pooja, thank you so much for being here. And whatever we've seen.
My film, so. Yeah.
Of course.
Thank
Give it
you
up
for being here, though.
Of course. Thank you, Arma.
Sorry, I'm in Diya character right
I know.
now. So.
I know. Talking about that
Yeah.
character, you're playing a journalist, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे journalist बहुत भसड़ मचाते हैं. What do you have to say on that?
I have to say that I have really explored this newfound respect for journalists, because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So Yeah, I think Diya is the perfect like tucker to Dave's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female because she's not afraid to speak her mind. She's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that he's being questioned about, which is. The line which he's saying that Police ya Mafia is written by Diya because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Diya. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
Softer side is so kadak, तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We'll get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I know तुम लोग करने नहीं दोगे मेरे को intro ये वाला, लेकिन मैं करूँगा. All right, it's an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to now invite on stage this Bollywood superstar who's mesmerized the audiences for the last 2 decades. एक performance, फिर चाहे charming hero वाली हो, romantic hero वाली हो, intensity या dramatic वाली हो, this man has killed it every single time. And इसीलिए सिर्फ हमारे देश का नहीं, हर किसी.
Hi Pooja, first of all, congratulating the entire team. The trailer looks fantastic. And Pooja, my question for you is, having played, as you mentioned, and we know that you're playing a journalist, in the film, and the kind of the vibe of the film is obviously intense, as you also rightly mentioned. My question is that when you play the character, and there were obviously intricacies that come with playing a journalist, what was the kind of brief given to you that it has to match the intensity, or yours is a more restrained form of making sure that you become an aid to Shahid's character, or it's more like I'll be the propeller of whatever happens in his life later?
I mean, I've always been. Check. I've always been attracted to this investigative journalist, that kind of a character. But I think the brief, in films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought I love the intensity and I like the urge to know and find out the truth for 5 minutes, and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was I want to see Diya and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself, be strong but not rude. And she's at the same time, she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you will kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. It's got, I don't know if that answers your question. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what I hope Roshan sir, I've done justice to portray or Diya. And I have followed your brief.
ये ट्रेलर देखा, दोनों में बहुत मजा आया. कुछ आप बता सकते हैं दोनों रोल्स के बारे में, कुछ क्या डिफरेंट, हाउ डिफरेंट इट इज?
सर हेयर कट सेम है, बाकी कुछ भी सेम नहीं है सर. बट शायद उसके वजह से आपको थोड़ी सी याद आई. बट इसमें एक्चुअली 2 लुक्स हैं देवा की, जो एक थोड़ी सी बहुत सटली रोशन सर ने एडिट में डाली है, क्योंकि जब वो यूनिफॉर्म में आता है तो ही हैज टू बी क्लीन शेवन. और दूसरी लुक है जो रगेड, रफ, किसी की नहीं सुनता टाइप, सनकी टाइप, जो पुलिस वाला गुंडा टाइप, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू से, उस टाइप का एक लुक है. लेकिन लुक्स जो है वो तो सिर्फ इनिशियली आपको एक फील देने के लिए होता है. उसके आगे तो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट है, कहानी का मूवमेंट है, कैरेक्टर का टॉप लेयर होता है, लेकिन फिर सब टेक्स्ट होता है, थर्ड लेयर होता है. तो इसके अंदर काफ़ी कुछ है. ये फिल्म की कहानी और इस बंदे का हेड स्पेस, ये दोनों कनेक्टेड है. ऐसे बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं, जैसे डेविड फिंचर, शी सेड, आई थिंक रोशन ऑल्सो रियली एंजॉयज डेविड फिंचर्स वर्क. तो एक चीज़ होती है कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड होती है, जिसमें परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, और वो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड द इनसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वो दोनों चीज़ें कनेक्टेड होती हैं. तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देवा, शायद हैदर में भी कुछ हद तक ये चीज़ थी, उसका जो मूड था, बट उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे. इसके अंदर आई थिंक देवा का जो इनर हेड स्पेस है और जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग रोशन ने की है वो हमेशा कनेक्टेड है। तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मौसम होगा या जिस तरीके की लाइटिंग होगी, जो अमित यहाँ पर हैं, जो हमारे साथ हैं, अमित रॉय, बिग राउंड ऑफ applause फॉर अमित एंड केन, you know, who's also here, the entire team is here. तो you know वो चीज़ें बड़ी इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं अगर आप फिल्म को थोड़ा सा गहराई से देखेंगे, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में सेकंड और थर्ड लेयर है। आजकल कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो बड़ी नॉइजी होती हैं और यू नो प्रोमो वोमो में बड़ी आवाज़ हो जाती है, बट आप 2.5 घंटा जब बैठते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि उतना ही मिला जो प्रोमो में देखा। कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिसके अंदर आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं ये लिबर्टी लूंगा ये कहने की कि मैंने अपने करियर में जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं ये डेफिनेटली उस कैटेगरी में आती है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, एक तो इस फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स जो है दैट्स द रीजन आई डिड दिस फिल्म, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग, बट ये उस कैटेगरी में आती है फिल्म जिसके बारे में आप देखने के बाद भी बात कर सकते हैं, शायद सेकंड टाइम भी देखने का मन करेगा उसको पूरी तरह समझने के लिए, बट साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, कहीं पे भी पेस स्लो नहीं होती है और बहुत बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ल्ड है फिल्म की और कैरेक्टर की हेड स्पेस की। तो फॉर मी दैट इज व्हाट देवा इज, इट इज द हेड स्पेस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इन द वर्ल्ड दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट अराउंड बाय रोशन एंड द थ्रिलर एस्पेक्ट व्हिच कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप्स यू वंडरिंग कि हो क्या रहा है। दैट्स व्हाट इट इज।
Thank you.
Well, I think it was about the story really. There was no brief other than him sort of like narrating the story of the film, and it blew us all away. It blew me away. It blew our team away. Malvika, Insia, all our whole team from Roy Kapoor Films loved it and decided that we had to make it, and that's really where the journey began. So he didn't really have to give me much more of a brief than just saying what the story was.
All right. The next one is from. Achha, sorry. Yeah.
Vibe on the set was hard, bro. Hard.
All right. The next one is from.